Hello and welcome to our English lesson today. Today, we will be learning about domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals that are kept by humans for various purposes such as companionship, work, and food. We will go through some of the most common domestic animals and their names in English. You can prepare a paper and pen to write down the lesson to facilitate memorization. Let's start with the most popular domestic animal. The cat. Cats are independent animals that are also kept as pets. Some of the most popular cat breeds include Persian, Siamese, and Maine Coon. Cat. Kitten. Kitten, it's a baby cat. Kitten. Next up, we have dog. Dogs are known as man's best friend because of their loyalty and companionship. Some of the common breeds of dogs include Labrador Retrievers, German Shepherds, and Bulldogs. Dog. Puppy. Puppy is a baby dog. Puppy. Moving on, we have goat. Goats are from farm animals, often kept for their meat or milk, but some people also keep them as pets. Goat. Kid. Kid is a baby goat. Kid. Sheep. Sheep are from farm animals, often kept for their meat or milk, but some people also keep them as pets. Sheep. Lamb. Lamb is a baby sheep. Lamb. Horse. Horse, it's a farm animal used for riding, racing, and to carry and pull loads. Horse. Foal. Foal, a baby horse. Foal. Donkey. 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 Foal. Foal, a baby donkey. Foal. Cow. Cows are farm animals often kept for their meat or milk, but some people also keep them as pets. Cow. Calf. Calf, a baby cow. Calf. Ox. Ox, farm animal often kept for their meat, but some people also keep them as pets. Ox. Yak. Yak, farm animal often kept for their meat, but some people also keep them as pets. Yak. Buffalo. Buffalo is a farm animals often kept for their meat, but some people also keep them as pets. Buffalo. Camel. Camels live in the desert and can survive for long periods without food or drink, mainly by consuming the fat stores in their humps. Camel. Llama. Llama lives in the Andes Mountains, often kept for their soft wool. Llama. Pig. Pig, often kept for their meat. Pig. Now let's talk about rabbit. Rabbits are adorable and fluffy creatures that are often kept as pets. They are great for people who live in apartments and cannot have larger animals. Rabbit. Rabbit. Squirrel. Squirrel, typically feeding on nuts and seeds. Squirrel. Rat. Rat is a rodent that looks like a large mouse, usually with a pointed snout and a long tail. Rat. Mouse. Mouse is a small rodent that typically has a pointed snout, relatively large ears and a long tail. Mouse. Cock. Cock is a male chicken. Cock. Hen. Hen is a female chicken. Hen. Chick. Chick is a baby chicken. Chick. Turkey. Turkey is a large bird, having a bald head and, in the male, red wattles. Turkey. Pigeon. Pigeon is a bird with a small head, short legs, and a cooing voice. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot is a bird, often vividly colored, with a short, down-curved beak. Found particularly in the tropics and some capable of imitating the human voice. Parrot. Fish. Fish are not usually considered as pets that can be played with or trained, but they can be very beautiful to look at. Some of the most common pet fish include goldfish and betters. Fish. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about domestic animals and their names in English. Don't forget to practice using these words in your daily life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.